Alright, so attempted repair, we're going to be replacing this set of shingles right here. So first we're going to have to come in here, pop these babies up. Now we're going to start working on the shingles. So we have all the nails off. Now we're gonna have to get this baby nice and loose. So as you can kind of see a little bit, there's already a lot of bending going on that upper shingle. So now we're going to go ahead and get the nails in. And for each nail that comes up, you'll see all these granules fall off. So as you can see, granules coming off. Coming off. So this is definitely a failed attempted repair. I would have to repair this one since all this creasing. You can see creasing, nice creasing along there.